We have 3 steps that we take a woman through with this process. And what that looks like is we start with our Feel Good Now series. This is an audio series that she can listen to in the comfort of her own home, where she's not only comfortable, but private in her bunny slippers and her house coat and her crazy scraggly hair. She doesn't have to do anything scary or outside of her comfort zone. And what happens is that she learns the tools that she needs, and they're actually things that she's going to want to reach for and actually do, because they're things that she's doing already. For example, one of the fun steps that we have these women take is she chews this piece of gum. And it's not just any gum, and it's not something you just go get at the checkout stand at a traditional grocery store. And it's a specialized gum that's designed to create a rescue for her right then and there. It's a supplement. And so because it's sweet and it tastes like sugar, that's something when you're depressed, you're gonna reach for anyway. So that's just like a step 1, it's a baby step, you can do it, right? So we move on from there and we follow the next steps until we're actually getting progress toward a positive direction of feeling good now. This series of classes also includes other education about the malfunction in the brain and body chemistry and serotonin deficiency, an overgrowth of candida in the gut, and it also addresses the energy drinkers of our nation, the huge epidemic that everybody functions on caffeine. It addresses all these things and shows the exact tools on how to correct them so that they truly can feel good now. And in accomplishing this good, happy, delightful feeling that's basically beyond coping with life, they're actually thriving in life. They're now seeking more answers and more tools of personal development because they're actually in a place to grow and want to learn more. The second step to this process is personal development as well as the awareness stage. And what this looks like is platform, passion, and purpose. And most people say, platform, what is that? And what does that have to do with my passion and my purpose? Well, a platform is basically your message. And why it's called a platform is because you're standing on your message versus in your message. Most people walk around in life standing inside their message, and by doing that, they're actually living in their past. So we say, hey, let's build your story stronger. We don't have to talk about the grief and all the crud. Let's talk about what you learned from it. Let's pull from that and find what your life experience is so that you know what your life mission is to share with others. And so the platform is your story, and it's solid and strong versus weak so that you can stand on it and speak from it. And then we marry that with your passion, and in so doing, that equals your life purpose. So this is a series of classes that teach each process on your platform, your passion, and your purpose, and how we pull and really direct you on how to figure out what that is and to really pull it from your memories and your story and your emotions and your heart. And we package that together so that you can see, look at how cool this is. We wrapped it with a bow and it's ready to be delivered. So the idea is we take that present and we're ready to deliver it. Now, some women don't go this far. Some women are just happy to feel good now and to thrive in life and to share their message with their posterity, their family, their friends, their close relatives, you name it. And they're completely content just staying right there, and that is great. We applaud them. However, some get that burning desire, whether they like it or not, and they get it filling up in their heart, and they just feel that inspiration like, I need to share my message in a big way. There's many people that need to hear my message. And a lot of women go to pageantry or they go to other sources to try and get an outreach. They write a book, and try to get that #1 best-selling author. And, these are actually very difficult steps to actually accomplish and be successful like the way they want it to be. So we have a very unique opportunity that we plug these women into this system that actually has a ready-made audience that is huge, and it's doubling their numbers every year in its growth, so that they have a stage that they can come and present at. And again, it doesn't have to be live. They can do it audio, they can do it video, they can do it all written. or they can get live and get on the stage and present what they came into this world to present. We accomplish this part of the process, the third step, through a series of 3 different workshops. So the idea is that by putting these 3 workshops together with the power of intention and the right manifesting tools, their life purpose and dreams are actually realized into existence.